Yesterday, the sky hit the ground and the clouds are all gray. As tears start to run down my face, I blame the rain. I yell, go away. You don't make me feel any other way. I need an umbrella to protect from these days. It's hard coming outside, trying to dodge puddles, but they too wide. I just go through them by myself, so much pain. And the forecast don't seem to change. Crying gets louder, the storm runs down my face. Will I ever see the sun today? There's no way. Please go away. Tired of seeing rain, 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 rain. I'm not okay. Forecast say it's rain, 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 rain. Can't stop the rain, always nights, no days. Why the clock won't change, wash it all away. I will clear from those days, I'll shine one day, one day. Ducking cover, steered away from these bottles. These gray showers drifting me off the road. Don't give up, Asiaa, this won't last long. Raindrops in the bottle, I sip it to cleanse my soul. Got it stuck up in my head now. Everything all good, so I ain't scared now. The rain won't go away, I pray for better days. It's gonna be okay. And the forecast don't seem to change. Crying gets louder, the storm run down my face. Will I ever see the sun today? There's no way. Please go away. Tired of seeing rain, 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 rain. I'm not okay. Forecast say it's rain, 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 rain.
Say 90.